Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can upload a project on Github. If you've been looking for a simple way to add your project to a GitHub repository, you're in the right place. Now, let's get started. First, open github.com in your web browser and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select your repositories. On the repositories page, click the green New button in the top right corner. This will open a page where you can create a new repository for your project. Enter your project name in the repository name field. Under the description section, briefly explain what your project is about. Then, choose whether you want your project to be public or private. Next, check the box to add a README file if you'd like, and then scroll down to click Create Repository. GitHub will now take you to your new repository. To upload your project files, click on the Add File button and select Upload Files. You can drag and drop your project folders and files directly from your computer, or click Choose Your Files to select them manually. The upload process might take a while if your project contains a lot of files. Once your files are uploaded, scroll down and click Commit Changes. That's it. You've successfully uploaded your project to GitHub. You can even edit your project description later by clicking the pencil icon. By following these simple steps, you can easily share your project with others on GitHub. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.